What's going on today, guys? We're working on a 1990 LT250R Quadracer that's been sitting 10 years in a garage. Check out this dust. Does not get any older than that. Main goal with this machine, get it running, restore it, and find somebody else to give it a happy home. This thing is pretty much all stock. Still got the stock exhaust. Only things really different on it are the grips, bars, and the twist throttle. It's even got the original 1990 rear shock. A few things on the list with this one. We're going to try and restore the plastics. Got to get a original seat cover. I think the sun got the best of this one at one point. Hopefully get rid of this twist throttle. Rear master is gone. Rear shock is missing the Schrader valve, so there's nothing left to it. And there's no parking brake. Main thing though, get it running tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and take these plastics off and we'll get a look at what's underneath of this. Well, we got the plastics off. After looking, rear grab bar is broken. This fuel line has not stood the test of time. Rock solid. Next up, we're gonna pull the carb off and get that clean, and then we'll check for spark. If only this camera had smell vision. I'm surprised the fuel is still liquid. So now we're gonna pull the bowl off. See what we got in there for delicious. Look at the color of that paper towel. That does not even look like fuel. Well, for sitting a while, it don't look too bad. Not what I was expecting for sure. Alright, so we're gonna get this spark plug out of here. We're gonna spray a little WD down the cylinder just to give it a little lubrication. Boot doesn't look half bad. Plug. It does not look too good. I don't know if I can get this to focus or not. If you see down in there, there's little BBs. That is molten metal. So we'll crank it over and see if it's got spark, I guess. Shoot a little bit of that down there. Alright guys, so seeing as how we're up at Duffs Powersports compound today, you seen how bad that plug was. Luckily enough, you can take care of all your new used parts. We got a brand new plug we're going to slap in this and see if she runs. Alright, carbs in, new plugs in. Come over to the stator side of the motor. Got a little 10 mil right there, that's the weep hole for the gear oil. Pull that out, you get a little oil. Carbs clean, check. Gear oil's full, check. Let's get this gas tank on. Bashing up some line. Well, I guess all that's left now is to kick this over and see what it does. Well. Alright, so as you guys can see, she runs, but not good. Throttle's a little sticky, so we're going to try and free that up, try and get it to idle down, and hopefully idle on its own.
Some free play in the throttle cable.
Because it's a straight path. It's like a short to ground.
It goes straight.
The spark is gonna. I'm gonna clean it out. The spark's gonna go to that. So be quiet. Fix that for me. All right. So you guys heard it run. Many kicks later, not starting, and I think we found out why. Been BBs from the last plug. Yep, they came back to haunt us. See that little guy in there? She ain't gonna spark with that. So, seeing as how it's looking like it's gonna need crank bearings, I say we clean this out, get it to run one more time, and go from there. I'll be right back. All right, after a short break, got the BB out of the plug. Plugs regapped to a brisk 32. Let's see if this thing starts up again. Well, shit. don't sound too bad. See, does the headlight work? Look at that. Ain't that something? Well, I don't think you can beat that. Sitting in someone's garage, left high and dry. Back to life. I think you guys are gonna enjoy where this thing's heading. From here, we gotta sit down, make a plan, and then execute. So until next time, I think we'll leave you guys at that. Just remember, Duffs Powersports, he's the one who made this happen. This is his machine. We're gonna get it restored. Any new used parts, anything you guys need, hit him up. Link will be in the description.